In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw straight lines in PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you are marking measurements, underlining text, or adding clean dividers, this quick workflow will help you place precise, professional-looking lines right on your PDF. Start by opening your document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. At the top, click the Tools tab, then choose Comment. This opens the commenting workspace and brings up the comment toolbar, which is where all the drawing options live. If you don't see the full toolbar, look for the small expansion arrow to reveal more tools. Next, in the comment toolbar, find the Drawing Tools icon. It looks like a pencil. Click it to open the shape options and select the Line tool. If you see several shapes, make sure you are choosing line, not arrow or other shapes. Once the Line tool is active, your cursor will change to indicate you are ready to draw. To place a perfectly straight line, click and hold your mouse at the point where you want the line to begin. While still holding the mouse button, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Holding Shift locks the angle so your line stays perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a clean 45-degree increment. Now, drag toward your intended endpoint. Take your time if you need precision. You can zoom in for a closer view, and you can hold the spacebar briefly to pan around while you are zoomed. When the line is exactly where you want it, release the mouse button first. Then release the Shift key. That order is important. Letting go of the mouse first ensures the final position and angle are locked in before you release the constraint. If something doesn't look right, just undo and try again. With the line placed, you can customize its appearance to match your document. Right-click the line and choose Properties. In the Properties panel, you can adjust the color to make it stand out or blend in. Change the opacity if you want a lighter touch over text. And set the thickness so the line is subtle or bold as needed. A thinner line is great for underlines. A thicker one can work well for section dividers. When you are happy with the look, close the properties, and you can always revisit these settings later. By right-clicking the line again. That's it. Thanks for watching.